In this week's episode, we're removing our old Spade anchor and replacing it with a Sarca Excel Number 5. We run into some problems with the windlass and fast forward to our current setup.
We're trying to take the anchor swivel
Dad,
off.
why are you playing that?
And it's all stripped. I hate Allen keys. They always just strip out.
It's a planned obsolescence.
That's ridiculous.
This thing.
That's not the right size. Stripped. Stripped. It's stripped. We just gotta cut it off. We are Brian.
Alicia.
Henry. Ellie.
And Rosie.
We fell in love,
Got married.
had a baby.
Bought a house.
I got a master's degree.
We had another baby.
Life seemed to be on track.
Then the COVID-19 pandemic shut everything down.
I finished my doctorate, but everything was different.
We decided to start living for our kids and to see the world with them. So,
We sold our house.
and bought a sailboat so we could make our
Trek forward.
Okay. Yeah. Little Hobie cat. They're Hobie cats.
Okay, so now you gotta pull that thing out?
Yeah, this thing should come up. I need my big pair of pliers. So this windlass has to come off so I can tear into it or figure out what's going on with it. I'm not sure. I gotta run new wires for it. And yeah, I might just be pulling an anchor up by my hands for a while. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's not electrically connected. It's not. There's no switch. The switch is taken apart. It's weird. I'm not sure what's going on with it exactly. But we'll figure it out.
We decided to remove the windlass so we could disassemble it and check its internal components. We removed the motor and Brian's father had it repaired. As it turns out, it had a short in the windings and was beyond repair. The bearings inside the windlass also needed to be replaced, so we decided to scrap it and wait until we could replace it. In the meantime, we've been hauling out the anchor by hand and using a chain stopper and a bridle for anchoring. RS Cat 16 sounds like something we had to take in elementary school.
Right. and grab that red screwdriver.
Yeah. It's this back corner.
Thank you.
That's what we need to do.
Watch out, watch out.
Okay.
Good tape job, Dad. What?
It's just, yeah, it's hot. And I just feel like hot enough in the year.
Okay. Do you want to go turn on the windlass? Yeah. So we can show some sparks and hopefully it just spins.
No sparks. Oh, sparks.
Oh.
No spinning. We were originally trying to see if we could get the windlass to spin. Since we didn't have a switch, we tried to connect the wires directly in hopes it would come to life. Our wires were very corroded from years of neglect.
Did it flip the breaker?
Oh, I don't know, maybe.
Was it broke? Was it popped?
No.
Henley!
What do you want to do?
Grab my meter. I just don't want you to have to go.
Taking a drink of water.
Can he grab Dad's meter? Thanks, bud. Oh, did the thing cap fall off of that?
No, it was a piece of that thing.
We later installed a switch, but still couldn't get the motor to spin.
Yeah, we got 13.6 volts here, so that's the. We got voltage.
Is the terminal too corroded?
Yeah, I'm wondering too. That's what I was wondering too.
I hear electricity.
No, that's the zip ties.
Oh.
Well then, yeah, I think it's just
Too corroded?
too corroded.
Okay, I'll go flip the switch.
Well, one second here. Let's see this. Measure the ohms real quick before you turn that off. Yeah, it's so resistant. Look at that. It's not even.
That's just because it's corroded?
Yeah.
Okay.
Black,
Yes. I mean,
red, black and red.
I don't.
Black and red and yellow.
I don't get
And
it.
blue and black. And orange and yellow.
Yeah.
There's
Okay.
no orange.
You gonna go flip that off?
Yeah.
What?
The breaker.
How did I have voltage but not continuity? Does that make any sense?
No, and your voltage dropped. I guess it's not. Why do you have varying voltage?
Because this is not the greatest of connections.
Oh.
Nothing, huh?
No. That sucks.
Okay.
After an unsuccessful attempt at getting the windlass to work, we moved on to replacing the anchor. We upgraded to a new swivel and a Sarca Excel Number 5. Once we were finished cutting off the old swivel, we were back in business. We have been very happy with our anchor and swivel and their ability to reset in changing tides and wind directions. Once the anchor is set, we stay put. We've seen 30-knot gusts at anchor and we haven't budged.
I guess we need a switch. And should I take these according to the diagram? It seems, but you can't. Oh man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Roger, 0G, and I feel fine. Liftoff and the clock is started.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So after a year and a half, this is our current setup. We have a Maxwell chain stopper mounted to a piece of Delrin where the windlass would be. King starboard for the marine world. HDPE. So here, let me get you down lower. I guess we'll go upside down here. And that's what it looks like underneath. Ooh. Added some brackets to make sure it's secure. And we have our spare anchor up here as well. There we go. As you can see, we've removed the windlass completely, and now we have a Maxwell chain stopper in place, along with our Sarca Excel Number 5 anchor. Also upgraded to a better swivel. This one rotates here and can bend. It's been working well so far. We've been using it for a year and a half or so. This chain stopper is quite nice. The pin is removable. For a quick and easy release.
We hope you enjoyed this episode and learning about our anchor woes and current setup. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like this video to learn with us as we grow.